OnePlus 6 Marvel Avengers Limited Edition is coming sooner than later and priced lower than expected. HTC is calling up for 2 events instead of 1 for their new flagship, and it seems that we're getting faster charging on this year's iPhones after all. I'm Jaime Rivera. It was so cool to meet some of you yesterday at the OnePlus event. Thank you for saying hi. I'm about to get on a plane. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for the Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, deals have begun on Best Buy where you can get a free pair of Icon X or, in the case, also a Samsung Gear S3. 2 products which I highly recommend. And then there are also deals with lower price tags on eBay. You can learn more about everything in the description. Let's talk about HTC, as the company already sent press invitations for the event on the 23rd, but we're kind of wondering exactly what, as apparently there are 2 invites or 2 pop-up locations that are happening in New York City and San Francisco on the 23rd to see the whatever smartphone is going to be. Not exactly sure why the separate invitations, but we'll keep you posted as soon as we learn more. Now let's talk about HTC again. I don't think I've covered more than 1 piece of news of HTC lately. Now we hear from famous tipster Evan Blaz of a device codenamed Genesis. And why are we covering more HTC products? Thing about it is, apparently this phone has a Vive logo in the back. And we've been covering some weird, interesting changes in the company, like for example, a codename Exodus with cryptocurrency. Now a Vive logo on a smartphone. This is really hot. Let's see what the company is planning up. Now, one of the biggest complaints when it comes to buying iPhones is how expensive it is for you to get fast charging. It's funny, the phone is capable, but then what you get in the box is not capable. You have to pay almost $75 in accessories in order to be able to bring that. So we've got more trusted sources claiming that we are getting an 18-watt adapter, and apparently it will cover all regions as it usually is, where you get different chargers depending on where you buy it. But yeah, 18 watts, apparently it's going to be crazy fast charging. The iPhone is actually really good at it. I just hope it's not crazy fast battery draining as it currently is as well. And finally, the most interesting news today had to do with the OnePlus 6. This is interesting as obviously we were briefed early on the phone. We were part of the event and we did not see anything that had to do with the Marvel Avengers Limited Edition. The company is very famous for these launches, but they always happen after the launches, typically in different countries. Apparently it's pretty much already happened in China. The price tag is the craziest part, as you get the full spec variant for $660. Sure, it's a little bit higher than if you would go for the typical one, but it's oh my god, like all the pattern in the back and just the whole design process, it looks great. But in today's question, let us know, number 1, what do you think about the final design? Number 2, would you be willing to pay that money? Because usually limited edition, I mean, if you look at Huawei, for example, that Porsche design is like $2,000, depending on where you buy it, obviously. $660 is great, in my opinion, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our thoughts on the OnePlus 6 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.